Hi everyone, I'm Chirag Maru. I'm a Salesforce consultant at Bluvium, and welcome to this video series where we simplify Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced, also known today as Agentforce Revenue Management. In this series, I'll be walking you through how businesses can manage their entire revenue lifecycle from quoting, contracting, ordering, billing, all the way to renewals on a single unified platform. Before we jump into the product, I want to quickly introduce who we are. At Bluvium, we specialize in Revenue Cloud, CPQ, billing, subscription management, and end-to-end quote-to-cash transformation. Bluvium helps companies streamline their sales, finance, and operations processes by simplifying how they sell, bill, and collect revenue. We've worked with fast-growing startups as well as large enterprises across industries, and our focus is always the same: simpler processes, better data, and faster revenue. If you want to learn more about how we help our customers, I've added our details at the end of this video. A quick background on how we got here as a Salesforce Revenue Cloud product. In 2016, Salesforce acquired SteelBrick, a CPQ company helping businesses quote faster. In 2020, Salesforce expanded their footprint by launching Revenue Cloud, a complete quote-to-cash suite integrating CPQ, billing, and more. And between 2024 and 2025, Salesforce introduced Revenue Cloud Advanced, now also known as Agentforce Revenue Management, which brings enhanced automation, unified data models, order orchestration, subscription lifecycle management, usage billing, and AI driven insights. This evolution now allows companies to truly run end to end revenue operations within Salesforce. Why revenue operations matter? Most organizations face one common problem: their sales, finance, and billing team works in silos. Sales uses one tool, finance uses another, and billing uses completely different platform. This creates delays in quoting, manual handoffs, approval bottlenecks, billing errors, and eventually revenue leakage. A unified revenue platform fixes exactly this. So, what exactly is Revenue Cloud Advanced? Revenue Cloud Advanced, also known as Agentforce Revenue Management, is Salesforce's solution for managing the entire selling and post-sale lifecycle up to the customer assets and product lifecycle management. It brings together guided selling and quoting, contract and agreement management, amendments, renewals and cancellations, order fulfillment, orchestration, usage tracking and entitlement management, and customer asset lifecycle management too. Let's look at this through the eyes of a sales rep. A deal starts with an opportunity. The rep creates accurate quote with modern pricing, subscriptions, usage, or bundles. Once the deal is closed, the agreement is in place. From there, rep can easily manage amendments, renewals, or expansions without starting from scratch. Everything flows smoothly from opportunity to active customer assets, giving the sales team full visibility into what the customer owns and can buy next. So, why does it matter for sales reps? Sales rep can quote faster with confidence, manage upgrades, renewals, and cancellations easily, avoid manual coordination with multiple teams, and have real time visibility into customer agreements and assets. For the organization, RCA delivers something critical: control and consistency. A single source of truth across sales, operations, and finance teams. Standardized processes for renewals, amendments, and product lifecycle changes. Fewer errors caused by manual handoffs, and the ability to scale modern revenue models without operational complexity. This was just the introduction. In the upcoming videos, we'll walk step by step through real practical end user scenarios focused on Revenue Cloud Advanced. You will see how teams use RCA to understand the core concepts and capabilities of the RCA, see how selling becomes simpler and more guided for sales reps, manage customer agreements, subscriptions, renewals and amendments, track assets, entitlements, product lifecycle changes, and explore Agentforce and Revenue Cloud Advanced use cases too. Each video will be short, focused, and demo driven, designed specifically for end users and practitioners. Thank you for watching the first episode of this RCA video series. If you're evaluating Revenue Cloud Advanced or planning to modernize your revenue operations, Bluvium can help. You'll find our contact details on the screen. Feel free to reach out to us for a walkthrough demo or a discussion. See you in the next video. Thank you.